Tell off. Criticize someone angrily for doing something wrong. Our teacher told us off for making so much noise. My mother told me off for breaking expensive pot. Be named after. Be given the name of another person. Zach was named after his grandfather. This child will be named after his father. Bring up. Look after a child until he or she becomes an adult. She brought up 2 children on her own. Many women still take career breaks to bring up children. Get along on with. Have a good, friendly relationship with somebody. I get along well with my brothers and sister. They seem to get along with each other. Get together. Spend time together. My family usually gets together at weekend. Every week they get together to make music. Go by. Prefer to be called by a particular name. When I knew her, he used to go by the name of Joshua. His dog used to go by the name of Puppy. Grow apart. Stop having a close relationship with somebody over a period of time. As we got older, we just grew apart. As we traveled together, we started to grow apart. Grow up. Develop into an adult. Their children have all grown up now. Love makes man grow up or sink down. Look after. Take care of someone. It's hard work looking after children all day. She helps to look after his grandfather, who is ill. Settle down. Begin to live a quieter life by getting married. When are you going to get married and settle down? He should get a house and settle down. Split up. End a marriage relationship. Her parents split up a few months ago. She reacted very badly when her parents split up. Make up. Become friendly with someone again after an argument. Have you made it up with your boyfriend yet? Let's kiss and make up. Break up. End a relationship. Our marriage has broken up. They decided to break up the partnership. Pass away. To die. My father passed away 11 years ago. He was ill for a long. Now he passed away.